Hi Starlights, welcome back to my channel. I'm a bit sick today, so sorry for my voice. In today's tutorial, we are going to draw several different anime mouths, from wide open happy smile to cute playful tongue, and a few extra styles to help you show personality in your characters. So grab your pencil and let's get started. Let's begin with the most expressive one, wide open laughing mouths. Start with a stretched curved line for the upper lip, then drop it down to create a big open shape. Add teeth lightly and shade the inside of the mouth to give depth. Next, let's draw a playful mouth with a tongue sticking out. Start with a soft, open curve and sketch around the tongue, slightly leaning to one side. Add a little shading under the tongue to show dimension. This expression works really well for silly moments or cute reactions in slice of life anime. This can be just a small curved line or slightly open shapes. Happy mouths are great for warm, friendly characters or to add charm during calm scenes. Next, let's practice closed lips in several variations. Start with a simple line for a natural look, then try a slightly curved line for cute or shy expressions. For elegant or feminine characters, add a soft shadow under the bottom lip. Closed lips may be simple, but they can completely change the mood depending on their shape. Here you can explore other styles, like smirk, a pout, a small opening talking mouth, and a subtle sad curve. Anime mouths are minimal but incredibly expressive when you combine shapes, pressure, and shading. Now let's talk about how these different mouths affect your character personality. Wide open laughing mouths make a character look energetic, bold, or comedic. Tongue-out expressions feel playful, teasing, or childish. Happy smiling mouths show warmth or confidence. Closed lips give you a huge range, from shy and cute to calm, annoyed, or mysterious depending on the curve. And that's it for today. Try drawing each mouth a few times and experiment with the different shapes to see how they change your character's emotion. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which expression you want me to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.